BMW has officially made it home, and we are going to do its first mod, which I think is very important given the fact that technically right now we're living in Arizona, which is something we haven't really put out much, but majority of our time, in fact all of our time, all of our fun time is going to be in San Diego. But we're living in Arizona, much cheaper, more car stuff, and a nice law, and that would be you don't need a front plate. Which means first mod is getting that thing off. A little bit more in depth since now we're not on a time crunch or anything like that. It's on our driveway, it's beautiful, it's big, it's really long. Didn't realize how long it was until now. But we're gonna have to figure out, so we're probably gonna pull it in straight into the garage next to the Subaru for now. We do have a charging area, so we're gonna wrap a cord and then plug it in that way. I have not fully experienced this car with a full charge battery. That might sound weird, but it's been dead the entire time. Well, not exactly dead, but the battery for the full usage to actually give it its real power and everything like that, because it's kind of like a 30-70 split as far as power goes from the electric motor to the gas powered motor. But it is sexy and it's here and Yasi's happy. And 32 bucks at $3 a gallon to fill this thing up. So Yasi now officially has her car. We still need to get a truck because as soon as we start modifying this, she's gonna want to take it to the car shows. And speaking of which car shows, this weekend, this car will be at Elite Tuner in Los Angeles for the Irwindale Speedway event that they're having there. A couple things I need to get dressed up on there, make sure it's all ready to go, but the Subaru will be there. Please, if you guys do show up, say hi or something, you know, come see it. It's nice. First time it's going to a show with the new design. No.
Oh, that's horrible.
Yep.
That is horrible.
Time for a new bumper.
I hate when they drill into the bumper.
New bumper time. Who's getting all the mods for this thing? Because I don't know what kind of budget we're on, but
Daddy is.
Daddy is? All right. Well, in that case, maybe a new bumper. But have you checked the mail today?
No.
It was Mother's Day a couple days ago, and I said something was late. I hope it's here. I don't know. But that's gone. That's way better. I mean, yeah, we do have holes, but we're not going to look at that. But yeah. Hi! Oh boy.
Is it paddle shifters?
I don't know. Is it?
I hope it's not.
I hope not.
I hope not.
Why?
Because I ordered some last night.
No, I told you not to.
Are you serious? Wow.
I hope not.
Whoa.
Yeah.
These are sick.
Are they though?
They're huge.
Yeah, I guess second mod came in, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. So you're gonna install them? Yeah. All right. Let's install them. Second mod. First and second mod. So on the 530e, we do have the paddle shifters that came with it. They're silver, very low profile. Yasi wanted something a little bit more exotic, super cool. How are they gonna go? Downshift, upshift.
Right.
So what do you mean?
I'm confused.
How are you confused?
Why is this should be?
No. Down. Ooh, look at that install. I don't know how to install this.
Do you see what I'm saying? The plus is not on top.
What are you talking about?
Okay, whatever.
Yasi.
Stop.
Yasi. Downshift. Downshift. Look at downshift is left paddle.
Stop.
Upshift is right. They give you two just in case. Make sure you put it in right. This is intense.
Oh girl. Oh girl.
Oh. It's a little, add a little pressure.
Wow, I better cancel my order.
Yeah, you should. Delete your order, because look, now we're good to go. How about some cinematic shots? That's 2 mods in one day, and the car's here. All right.
Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw you
now it's time to just bring in the BMW. Now that we have everything installed or uninstalled in some cases. Thank you, CarMax, but we don't want to have your shit on our car. Thanks. Okay. Now we have a good looking Beamer that's all clean and it has the paddle shifters. I am looking forward to this. God, she is sitting so low in there. You need to adjust your seat. You're too small. What's happening right now? Look at those paddle shifters. Oh,
they're huge.
They are huge. You like big. Nice, easy vlog. Simple. I'm keeping them short and sweet. Guys, I lose you guys after 7 minutes. So, peace out. Stay humble. Love you guys. Bye. Say bye. Say
bye, guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say, I love you. That's mine. What the? Oh my God.